As a traveling RV family, we are inspired by the beauty in nature.
The American dream is usually centered around the things rather than the quality time in the great outdoors. Traveling in our home on wheels, one of the main benefits is spending more time together exploring, learning, and spending quality time in nature with our kids, making memories that will last a lifetime. There is so much to see and explore that it makes us want to chase our dreams to see even more. What inspires you to get outside? Share your connection at natureconnectsus.org.